There is no bonding without safety. The all-new Nissan Xterra is full of intelligent features to assist your drive and avoid inconvenient surprises. Enough room to store all your gear. Keep it cool. Control the temperature in just a few touches. Navigate easily with the 9-inch AI/VI display. Go further, faster. Enjoy quality time with your loved ones. The Xterra is the perfect vehicle to explore new terrains and form new bonds.
The Nissan Xterra powers every adventure with a 2.5-liter gasoline engine, 165 horsepower and 241 Nm in torque. The engine is also mated with a 7-speed automatic transmission, achieving a fuel economy of 11.4 km per liter, making it the best in its segment. Let's take a closer look at the driving options. You can switch between two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive with just a twist of a dial. Heading to rocky, muddy or sandy conditions, 4-low differential lock as well as hill descent control and hill start assist has you covered. Xterra will come to our markets in 3 grade walks and 5 prices. Let's take a look at the grades available. The SE is available in two-wheel drive with a starting price of around $27,200 or a 4-wheel drive option from $29,700. Our second grade titanium model is available in two-wheel drive with a starting price of around $30,500 or a 4-wheel drive from a $32,700. Lastly, the platinum grade is priced around $36,500.